So I just want to apply this treatment because once in a while I love applying them to make this area to look larger, to look firmer. Yes, this treatment will help to firm and lift that area, removing anything sagginess with consistency. You have to watch this video, continue watching this video, and make sure you watch to the end because you learn a lot. So use this treatment to get rid of anything sagginess. The ingredients are purely natural. I'll be listing the ingredients one after the other and also telling you what they can do for you, the number of times to make use of it, how to apply for best results. In case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing in case you haven't, and like this video. Also, do not forget to share this video as well. Let's go. So I made this of coffee. As you can see, the color of this treatment, the color is coffee color. Okay, yeah, brownish. So I added coffee as an ingredient in this treatment to help to firm, and that is because coffee contains powerful antioxidant that helps greatly to reverse aging process or to renew the skin, to firm the skin tissues. Okay, helping to restore your skin back to normal. I love coffee a lot. It's not only for drinking as a tea or to get rid of some excessive weight. Coffee will also help greatly to take care of our facial skin, to remove wrinkles and fine lines. Coffee also helps to firm the skin for those that have saggy skin. Okay, very natural and very nice. I love the smell so much, and that is one thing that turns me on anytime I'm using coffee. Like, the smell is amazing. So coffee also will help greatly to keep that area flawless because it exfoliates the skin, removing dead skin cells. The area will look so renewed, so beautiful. If you want this treatment to increase in size, like to increase this area in size, all you have to do is to do it the way I'm going to show you. That is why you should continue watching. So the next ingredient I added is oat powder. And yes, and that is because oat powder will help to firm that area. It contains some ingredients, anti-aging properties that will help greatly to lift. If you apply this treatment because of the oats and coffee, you will see your skin look tighter. When you form the habit of applying consistently, you will notice that area returning back to normal. So you have to exercise that area with this treatment. Not only to exercise, applying this treatment will feed that area with the right nutrients to restore back. Oats will also help to keep the area looking flawless and attractive. So go on and get oat powder, go on and get coffee ground, and your skin will be so happy, so glad you did. Alright, so the next one added is egg whites. So egg white is very firming, like when it comes to firming the skin, when it comes to getting rid of wrinkles, when it comes to, you know, increasing that area, like when it comes to getting rid of sagginess, think of egg white. And that is because that is what it does, thanks to the anti-aging properties in it. Okay, so the egg yolk is not mainly to lift, so you can decide to just apply the egg yolk on the face, but the egg white is very, very important. The egg white is that stretchy white transparent liquid of an egg. That is the egg white. So separating it from the egg yolk, just add it into the remedy. You'll be so happy, like it helps greatly. So the next one is olive oil. Yes, olive oil is very natural and packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps to restore your skin, renew your skin. Like you applying it the way I will tell you, with treatment to penetrate well and work better. So also olive oil will help to reduce stretch marks, some stress. If that area has passed through some stress which made it to reduce or to sag, it will help to firm it, you know, nourish, restore back to normal. So try to get these ingredients I just listed. So do not forget Vaseline. Vaseline is amazing. Vaseline is one ingredient that you shouldn't joke with. So when it comes to moisturizing, when it comes to hydrating, when it comes to retaining moisture into the skin, and when it comes to making your skin look younger, think of Vaseline. So I'll tell you the time to make use of Vaseline. Just continue watching. So here are the measurements. So I added 1 tablespoon of coffee. You can see it, coffee. So I added 2 tablespoons of oat powder. Yes, I separated my egg white from the egg yolk just gently and transfer the egg white into the bowl. Then I added a teaspoon, not tablespoon please, a teaspoon of olive oil, and that is all. So you have to mix together and mix together and mix together to form a thick paste. You can see mine is not watery and it's not so thick. Okay, so after that, you have to first get a warm water and a towel. You have to make that area to warm up, okay, by touching some warmness around that area, so that when you apply this treatment, it will absorb well, penetrate, and work better. So just clean that area up, then use your hand to apply this around your chest area. So as you apply it, you go clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. So this is a mask that you can apply on that area, just the way you apply facial masks. So apply this mask all over, then this is the time to massage. Okay, after applying it, you massage. So when massaging it, you have to be carrying it up like this, upwardly, 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 you know, just be going like that. So this will enable that area to target on that tissues below, to firm it up, and the results, you'll be so glad. So if you want it to get bigger, for those that want to make it bigger, you have to increase pressure when you're massaging it clockwise and anti-clockwise. Just increase the pressure, be doing it so many times, like increase the time you are massaging it, make it longer, and you see it getting bigger. This is very, very active at increasing as well. So if you don't want to make it bigger, do not massage for long, just apply and start lifting alone. So I don't want to, so I believe you understand how to apply this treatment, because you don't expect me to show you how to do it. Of course I will show you how to do it. Okay, I will show you because I don't want to expose my body. Okay, so just apply this treatment and allow it for 20 minutes or longer. So in case you are rushing out, you want to rush out, you're going to work or something, it will shock you. There's no way your breast, it will never remain the same. Like if you have extremely saggy one, it can never remain the same. So in case you have a moderate sagginess, of course you see results. Like as you do it from the first use, you will notice that the blood circulation that which will make that area to look bigger, okay, and it will appear firmer. So as you make use of it every other day, you will see the results will become very noticeable. So this treatment requires consistency, of course, because it's natural, it's not surgery. Okay, so you have to be consistent to get perfect results. So after the right time, after applying Vaseline, you don't have to rinse it out. Put on your bra. You know, if you're at home, you feel like, okay, just put on your bra, just make Vaseline your moisturizer after applying this mask. Use this treatment 3 times weekly or every day. Very safe to use every day if you have the chance, and you see your skin restored back. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, also share this video and like this video. You can also apply this on your face. It's not a waste. Okay, we also have very good products, very good powerful products for you, very natural and will not cause any harm to your skin or to your area. The ingredients are perfectly natural. So I made this oil, you can see it on the screen. I made this oil using some herbs like fenugreek, fennel, and some other, you know, nourishing ingredients that will target on that area, and very good oils, of course, that will not cause any harm. Okay, so just go on and follow the instructions and you never regret it. That is the WhatsApp number in case you want to purchase already made products from us. After applying it, put on a tight fitting bra. Okay, just a tight fitting bra to keep it in place. But if you're not going anywhere, you can as well put on a tight fitting bra, leave it on for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. All right, so after the right time, just wash it out, rinse it out, then go on and get your Vaseline. Yay! So Vaseline, like I said, is very moisturizing. It's also anti-aging. It's also very good at firming. Like, this will supply moisture, preventing the area from drying out, so that your treatment will work better. Okay, so just go on and apply some Vaseline. Rub like this. Just hit it. Increase pressure. Just rub the Vaseline very well until you start feeling your hands are warm, very warm or hot. Then you start massaging once again. Massage clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Then if you want to lift, just go on and continue upward, from down up, from down up. Just be applying more Vaseline if you want. Be applying like that. If you see the result. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and share this video. I'll see you in my next video.